Whew, that came off quick. What's up? My name's Melinda. I'm a Sephora Beauty Director, and I just got all ready for bed. My skin is so clean and moisturized. My whole routine is actually filled with Black-owned brands, which I love, and I can't wait to show you, so let's jump right in. So I have a full face of makeup that I'm going to take off using my favorite cleanser as of late from Fenty Skin. This is the Total Cleanser Makeup Remover Cleanser, and it does a really good job of just that, removing the makeup. So I'm not at home, obviously, I'm here at the studio, so I'm gonna use just a little bowl of water and a washcloth to do this. So to start, I'm gonna add a little water to my hands, and then I'll put some of the cleanser, just a dollop, and this is gonna create like a nice little suds. And I'm just gonna start working that onto my face and breaking down that makeup. So I'm just gonna keep adding a little bit of water as I go. If you're at home, you might have the sink in front of you so you can just splash it on your face. But I'm gonna add as I go, and we're just breaking down the makeup. I like to start with my complexion, and then I'll do my lips. There's really no rhyme or reason, just what I like to do. Whew, that came off quick. All right, and now I'm gonna move to my eyes. I'm just gonna pick up a little extra water. I still have plenty of this cleanser in my hands. It's so sudsy, it's easy to use in that sense. And then, I'm gonna take off my eye makeup. You wanna use light pressure on your eyes, just because that skin's a little bit more sensitive, but you can tell how quickly that shadow just kind of literally fell off of my eye. So you don't have to do too much work, which is nice. And then I've got a full brow on, pencil, gel, the works. So I'm gonna move up to the brows, and you can see everything's just melted off. Now again, if I was at home, I would just splash my face and remove all of this, but since I'm here, I have a towel in front of me that I'm just gonna dampen and then wipe this away. This is the splash zone over here. Now, just for good measure, I'm gonna dampen one more side of the washcloth, do one more sweep, make sure we're nice and clean before I move into my skincare routine. All right, so now that my skin is nice and clean, I'm gonna move into my next step of my routine. This is from Fenty Skin, and this is the Fat Water Pore Refining Toner Serum with niacinamide. So what's really cool about this is it's 2-in-1. I love that because it means less steps that you have to take, and it's great because the toner is going to help with the appearance of, you know, your pores, making them look a little bit tighter. The niacinamide is also great for that, and the appearance of smoother looking skin. But what I love about it is it's also a serum, so it's not gonna dry you out or leave your skin feeling tight, which I love because I have dry skin. I use a little cotton round to do this, so I'll just apply a bit to the top of it. All right, so just swiping this over my skin, and be gentle. You always wanna be gentle with all of your skin. You might not think it'll make a difference, but you're doing this every single day. And don't forget the neck. All right, so your girl loves her eye cream. I've been obsessed with this one from Shani Darden Skincare. This is the Intensive Eye Renewal Cream with Firming Peptides. Shani is such a boss. She's a total skincare professional. She actually works in the industry actively, does a lot of celebrity clients, and I really trust her expertise. She knows what she's talking about, and it's proven with this eye cream. I love the effect that it has on my eyes. It creates like this nice plump effect to the fine lines around the sides. So you've probably heard this a billion times, but your ring finger has the lightest touch, so it's nice to use on your eyes. And I'm just gonna kind of pat that in. And I bring a little bit up to my brow bone. You've probably heard of my next one a few times on social media. It sold out like crazy when we first got it at Sephora, and I've been loving it. I definitely see why. This one is from Topicals, and it's the Like Butter Mask for dry, sensitive, and eczema-prone skin. So for someone like me that has really dry skin, I have redness, it's always like my #1 issue that I'm trying to battle. This is like so dreamy. It feels so nice going on, and you can use it as a mask, or you can use it as like a heavy duty overnight moisturizer, which is what I love to do. So the trick is just to use a thin layer. If you put too much of this product on, it's gonna pill up. The brand even tells you just a thin layer is all you need, which means it's gonna last you that much longer. So I'm taking like a dime size amount, and I'm just gonna split that between my hands, and I'm gonna press this into my skin just like I would a moisturizer. It's nice and thick. What I love about this is that when I wake up in the morning, I can still feel it doing work on my skin. It's just plump and it's perfect for makeup application. It's gonna make your foundation look so much more smooth. And whatever you have left, or if even you want a little bit more, the neck is important. Add a little bit more. And I'm just gonna do upward motions. Last but certainly not least is my lips. As a girl with dry skin, my lips are also dry, and you can't forget that that is also your skin. You want your lipstick to look beautiful. You want your lips to be nice and comfortable and plump. So I always like to use an oil at night on my lips just to give it that extra surge of moisture. This one is from LYS Beauty. It's Speak Love Glossy Lip Treatment Oil. You can tell it's like half empty. I've been using quite a bit of it. I love this founder, Tisha. I met her for a brand training. I had the honor of hearing about her story and a little bit about her journey. She's come from these incredible, huge brands and taken all of that expertise that she's gained throughout her career and put it all into developing this brand. And it's incredible. And by the way, it's LYS Beauty, not Liss Beauty. So LYS Beauty. Now this oil is really cool because one, the applicator is this like triangle shape. It makes it super easy to apply and it's very thick. So similar to the mask I put on my face, this is gonna be a nice thick layer of moisture that when I wake up in the morning, I can really feel the work that it's done. All right, my skin feels so clean and moisturized. I'm ready for bed. Again, all of these brands are Black-owned brands. I think it's really awesome to support Black-owned businesses, and the products, honestly, they speak for themselves. I'm obsessed. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried any of these, if you plan to try any of them out. I would love to hear from you. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so you see more like this from me, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.